Come, let us spill this already spilled the juice and go back to the tabat Skeem Saam. Guys, yeah, something is not made sure. Wabona Skeem Saam, if Skeem Saam gets rid of Babaile, I will not be happy. I will not be happy because then what will happen to Lewatl? Because that automatically means Lewatl would have to go or Lewatl's mom Holu will have to stay. But okay, fine. Let me read what Jabulani McDonald wrote. He says one of the characters is going to die in a car accident, right? So who's one of those characters? Is one of those characters ours? Is between the new couple, but also I'm stressed because it's something that has to do with both Babaile and Stogo, because it also says something bad is going to happen to Stogo, landing her in hospital. Will that be after lo sekashonile or sekwenzakaleni, guys? In hey, Skeem Saam is going to show us flames this month. I'm telling you. Do like, share, and subscribe.